outside?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, you're a duck? Oh, he is a duck now. When did we get a pet duck? Huh? Oh, peekaboo you. It's Trevor. Do you say hello, Trevor? Say hello. Hello. Say hello. I'm talking to you. Oh, you poop. Oh, you're so funny. You think it's funny because you poop in front of the camera? Yeah? What? What's up, Marley? Is that what you said? What? Yeah, you're a funny bird. Oh, you a duck now? Are you a duck? You trying to trick me? You're silly. Well, that is a crow, but I see a squirrel. I see a squirrel. I see a squirrel. Say hi, squirrel. See the squirrel? Oh. Did you say hi, squirrel? Yeah, it is a good boy, Mar. Yeah. Pretty talented. Yeah. Yeah. Hello. Talking to you. Hello. 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 Oh, you give kisses? Oh, you're such a big suck. I'm not closing my eyes. Why are you closing your eyes? Is it too sunny? Open your eyes. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. You close your eyes, you possessed bird. Creepy. Oh, yeah, that's you. What? You want sunflower? Oh. Well, I want sunflower. What? Maybe. Do you have some? Oh, you're being silly. Uh-oh. Get away from me, Mar. I don't like people coughing right now. I don't know about that. You better stay about 8 to 10 feet away from me with that cough. No spitting over there either. Oh, yeah. What? Don't start coughing. Can you sneeze? Do you know how to sneeze? Oh, you just sneezed. That was a real one. That wasn't even a fake sneeze. You just went away.